Here we have the ingredients that we'll require to prepare our modaks: 500 milliliters of milk, lemon juice to curdle the milk, powdered sugar, cardamom, pistachios and saffron. So let's start preparing this. Here our milk is boiling. I'm going to take about 2 teaspoons of milk from this and add to our saffron. So our milk has boiled. Now I'm going to add the lemon juice to it. I have mixed about 2 tablespoons of water to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can check our Chhena recipe. We'll post the link in the description box for the detailed recipe as well as the tips and tricks. Here I have strained our Chhena. I'm going to add some water to it. Mix it. Gather the edges and hang it for about 1 hour to remove all the whey out of it. Here we have our Chhena dried for about 1 hour. You may check our recipe as I said earlier for tips and tricks for preparing our Chhena. Now this is a clean surface at the moment. Let me transfer this to here. Now we are going to knead this until this all gets combined. Here you can see I kneaded for about 1 minute and we have got a very nice dough. This is not smooth but this is all combined now. We are going to mix in 2 tablespoons of sugar approximately. This one should be fine. I am using powdered sugar. You may also use granulated sugar, but there you have to work little harder. I'm going to mix this. Knead for another 2 minutes. So I knead it for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Here I have a kadhai and I'm going to add the Chhena now to this. Make sure the kadhai is in low flame and we want this to be in very low flame. We'll just cook this like this, very low flame, for just about 5 minutes. Set up a timer for about 5 minutes, not more than that. Here you can see that this is cooking from about 4.5 minutes and this is all come together. This is perfectly good and fine. We don't want it to cook much. That will make it stiff, crumbly and hard. So I'm going to transfer this to our surface. Here you can see our Sandesh mixture or our Chhena. This is very hot, very hot, very hot. We are going to knead this with utter care for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we are going to add the flavorings to it. This is going to be very hot. Be very careful. Here you can see our dough. This is very soft and very nice. I kneaded for about 2 minutes. It looks perfect, but this will start getting a little bit stiffer and grainier. And don't worry, as this at the room temperature at the moment. And we are going to add some milk to it. This is saffron milk that we dissolved. This will give the color as well as the quesadilla flavor and the taste. Now we are going to add some cardamom. I crushed about 2 cardamoms here. Now we are going to knead this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Here our dough is ready. You can see this is looking very nice and good. And here I have got a modak mold, very easily available in the market, especially in the Ganesh Chaturthi time. I have greased it with some ghee. Now I'm going to add our mixture to it. So don't stuff too much also because that is going to come out. Here you can see that I stuffed in 3 of them. Now I'm going to add in each pistachio in 1 piece. Totally optional. So now it looks fine. We are going to make modaks now. You can see it looks lovely, isn't it? So it looks ready. Let's open it. Wow, amazing. I'm going to add some saffron. Like so, prepare all your modaks. Here you can see our modak. They are looking tempting, don't they? My sister have decorated them using saffron stands, pistachios and plated on a handmade paper leaf. Thanks to her,